Hello everyone, welcome to Learnablepro. Today we are going to discuss about variables in C language. Today I am going to explain what is meant by a variable. In programming, a variable is a container or storage area which holds the data. In simple words, a variable is a memory location which holds the data. To indicate the storage area, each variable should be given a unique name. As you can see here, a variable is given a unique name. Variable names are just the symbolic representation of a memory location. So in our case, score is a symbolic representation of memory location. For example, integer score is equals to 105. As you can see here, score is a variable assigned to an integer type, and the variable is assigned to integer value, that is 105. So the variable value can be changed anywhere in the program. So as you can see here, integer score is equals to 105. It can be changed to 107 or 109 or 111, etc. anywhere in the program. Hence it is known as a variable. Now let's see what is the difference between variable declaration and variable definition. The variable declaration refers to the part where a variable is first declared or introduced before its first use. So as you can see in our previous slide, integer score is equals to 105. This is the first declaration of an variable before its use. So integer score, which means score is a variable and it is assigned to an integer type. So this is called variable declaration. Now let's see what is meant by variable definition. Variable definition is the part where variable is assigned to a memory location and a value. So as you can see here, our variable, that is score, is assigned to an integer value, that is 105. So this path is called variable definition, and this is called variable declaration. This is called variable declaration, and score is equals to 105. This is called variable definition. Sometimes both can be used together in single line of code. As you can see here, integer score is equals to 105. It has both variable definition and variable declaration. Or else we can also declare them as integer score and score is equals to 105 in two different lines of code. Now let's see what are the rules for defining variables. A variable can have alphabets, digits and underscores. So in our previous slides we saw integer score is equals to 105, where score is an variable. So here we can also give it as score underscore 2, which includes alphabets, underscore and digit. So this is the first rule for defining the variable. The second rule is a variable name can start with an alphabet. As you can see in our previous slide, score starts with an alphabet S and underscore only. So we can also give it as underscore and variable name. It cannot start with a digit, so it cannot be 2score. It should be either with an alphabet or with an underscore. It should either start with an alphabet or either start with an underscore. It cannot start with a digit. Now no white spaces is allowed within the variable name, and variable name must not be any reserved word or keyword. Example, integer and goto, etc. So these are the rules for defining the variables. Hope you guys enjoyed this session. Thanks for joining us in learning.